Supersizing your business is an emotional roller coaster. I wish I could say that growing a business and building a business isn't a huge up and down, both emotional as well as physical endeavor, but it absolutely positively is. And if you expect anything less, you're setting yourself up for failure, because there are going to be great days, awesome days where everything goes smoothly and you want to celebrate, and there's going to be days when you feel like the world is up against you, nothing is going your way, and you just want to quit. If you're prepared for that, if you know that that happens, guess what? That doesn't just happen in growing and building and supersizing our business. It happens in our everyday life. Some days are awesome, other days not so much. We've all had things happen in our life that we wish hadn't happened, but they did, and they're always there to show us something and teach us something. So where does this emotional roller coaster, our idiom today, come from? Roller coasters were invented in the 1800s, and it was referred to a car type carnival ride or some kind of a festival ride, or what do they call it? Theme park type events. They didn't have big theme parks back then, but they did have cars that were hooked together, and they would go around a track that had twists and turns and dips and dives and surprises. And over the years, roller coasters have gotten really crazy and extreme. Since I have my kids, I don't do very well on rides, but I do like a good roller coaster ride every once in a while. It reminds me that things change all the time. We have curves that hit us, we have turns that we need to make, we have to pivot, sometimes we go forward, sometimes we go backwards, sometimes we go all the way upside down in what it is that's required as we're building and growing and supersizing our business. So roller coasters are one of the few rides that I'll make myself go on, because they're so exciting and they're so fun. And that's how I feel about growing and building businesses. It is so exciting, and the highs definitely make up for any lows or any challenges or any struggles that we have along the way. In the 1970s is when the term emotional roller coaster was really coined. And it was probably, some psychology study, or, let's be honest, business gurus or management consultants or something that came up with the term, but it was used and then applied to the emotional aspects of decision making. And for today's challenge, I shared 6 steps for emotional decision making and to get your goals life right now as part of that challenge. Next month, I think we're going to do mental. I can't remember, but our thoughts and our processes. And every month we're focusing, as part of the annual challenge, on a life framework area. I personally use a 9-part life framework to decide and make decisions and set goals for my life, and so I'm sharing that throughout this challenge. But life and business, it's going to be ups and downs. It's going to be highs and lows. If we didn't have the bad things that happened and our ability to solve problems, then the journey wouldn't be worth it, because building a business and supersizing a business really is all about the journey, and not only the journey of the business, but the journey of who we become during that process. So that's it for today. If I can help you in any way, I'd love to know your experience with emotional roller coasters. Have you ever been on one? I made a whole list of all the ones I've been on, and that isn't even all of them. It's just a quick list of them. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business right now? This one, just know that change is inevitable. It's going to happen. There's going to be highs, there's going to be lows, and it's all about you getting through them and knowing how to deal with them. Have an awesome day. Be with you tomorrow.